Myson Floortec is a leading supplier of underfloor heating in the UK. We are renowned for the quality of our products and the array of services we offer. From a free 48-hour quote to a free design service, we aim to make choosing underfloor heating an easy option. We also offer a 10-year complete system guarantee so that you can rest assured you are installing the best quality system. Myson Floortec offer a range of fixing systems for a variety of floor types, including clip rail, tacker and plated. In this short video, we will show you just how easy it is to install underfloor heating in your home using two different types of fixing system, Preformed Plate and Tackernail. Before you start, you must ensure that the area is as clean and tidy as possible. Whilst every effort is made to ensure all your goods are delivered correctly, you should take time to check your delivery against your requirements and ensure all the goods have been delivered correctly, including the amount, type and size of pipe, the fixing system, staples, clips and plates, the fittings and manifold, and that the pump sets are all the correct quantity. If there are any discrepancies, then please call our sales office, who will be more than happy to help. You will have been supplied with a full and detailed plan on how and where to install your system, depending on your requirements, so spend some time familiarising yourself with the design, pipe runs to each room and centres to lay pipe at. Now you are ready to start the installation. Attach the perimeter edge insulation around each wall, ensuring the skirt faces into the room. Fix to the wall using tacks or tape to keep it in place. Next, lay the plates. You should start in the top left-hand corner of the room, against the longest wall. The overlap edges clip together easily. Plates can be cut to size using a wallpaper knife or something similar. Remember to start each section with the offcut from the previous run. This staggers joints and ensures minimum wastage. Continue to lay the plates until the whole area is covered. Next, make sure that the polythene skirt on the perimeter insulation is lying on top of the plates. This prevents the screed from travelling underneath. It can then be secured using the grey foam perimeter tubing as shown. Then lay the pipe according to your Myson CAD design drawings. You can use your feet to walk the pipe into the plate, ensuring you leave the correct spacing in either serpentine or spiral pattern. Here we are using the spiral pattern, and you must remember to leave enough space, which is twice the designed pipe centres for the room, to run the pipe back to the manifold. You can use the grooves on the plates to help with the measurements. Once you reach the centre of the circuit, run the pipe back through the grooves to the manifold and pair with the correct floor pipe and tape together. When a room is complete, connect the floor to the top manifold connection. Hold the pipe in place and mark where you need to cut. You will need a pipe cutter to cut the pipe to the correct length to fit in the manifold. First drop the nut over the pipe, then place the split ring on the pipe and push the insert into the pipe. Offer up the pipe and connect to the manifold. Repeat with the return and all of the pipe circuits until the whole room has been completed. We are showing you two types of fixing system. We will now show you how to install the Tackernail system. As with the Preformed Plate system, you first have to lay down your insulation sheets to cover the whole area, again cutting the sheets to size where needs be. Next we will tape over all the joins so the insulation board is lying flat. You also need to attach the perimeter edge insulation around each wall. As before, ensure that the skirt faces into the room. Fix the perimeter insulation to the wall using tacks or tape to keep it in place. The polythene skirt should lay on top of the insulation. Please check with your building control to ascertain if any further barriers are required. Depending on insulation type and regulation, a water migration barrier may be required. If so, this should be laid prior to the pipework. Once the insulation board is down, covering the whole area, and the perimeter edge insulation is in place, it's time to start laying the pipe. Start your pexillant pipe from the floor of the manifold and again run the pipe to the floor, using the pipe bend to create a 90-degree angle. Use the CAD drawings supplied by Myson and lay the pipe at the required centres. You can use the grid on the plates, if marked, to help measure out the distances required between the pipe. In this case, each grid square is 50 mm, and the pipe needs to be laid 150 mm apart when completed. If your insulation has no marked grids, you may mark the insulation or barrier or use some spacing buttons to keep the pipe at the correct centres. The pipe can be tacked using a pipe stapler or by hand, but Myson recommend using their tacker tool as shown here. This is a tool specially designed for this type of installation. You can hire or purchase the tool from Myson, and it will make your installation much quicker and easier than other methods. It's simple to use. Just load the tacker nails onto the shaft of the tool as demonstrated here. Make sure that the nails run down the whole length of the shaft and are evenly spaced to avoid jams. If a jam does occur, simply unlock it by opening the front and removing the blockage. Although this type of installation can be done by one person, it is much easier and quicker for two people. That way, one person can lay the pipe while the other person tacks in the nails. The pipe should be tacked at approximately 300 mm intervals when on a straight section. Where you are bending the pipe to go around a corner, make sure you use extra tacks so that the pipe is securely fastened at each end of the bend. Once you reach the centre of the floor section, run the pipe back to the manifold according to your drawings. Pair with the correct floor pipe and tape together. Repeat this until the whole floor area is covered. Now that you have your fixing system down, with your pipe laid and under pressure, you are ready to screed. Allow enough time for the screed to dry, dependent upon screed type. Consult the screed manufacturer or contact Myson for assistance before laying down your preferred floor type. Myson Floortec underfloor heating is suitable for most floor types, including carpet, laminate, tile, slate and stone, but always check the thermal resistance of your chosen floor type. So that's it, nice and easy. Now you can sit back and enjoy the performance, efficiency and design freedom that Myson Floortec underfloor heating provides. If you need any more information about Myson Floortec products and services, or for a free quote, please contact a member of our sales team, who are always happy to help. Alternatively, you can visit our website at myson.co.uk. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. We hope you found it useful, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.